Make a great choice today with the 2019 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.